Hi, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we delve into a fascinating and somewhat controversial topic, the rise of AI preachers in churches. Over the past decade, we have witnessed remarkable advancements in artificial intelligence, leading us to question the role of technology in our lives, even in matters of faith. Join me as we explore this emerging trend, its implications, and the various perspectives surrounding it. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our future episodes. Now let's get started. To understand the phenomenon of AI preachers, we must first explore the roots of this development. Artificial intelligence has already infiltrated many aspects of our daily lives, from voice assistants in our smartphones to autonomous vehicles. As technology advances, it continues to integrate into sectors we might not have anticipated, including religion. The emergence of AI preachers is a natural extension of our growing reliance on intelligent machines. AI preachers are computer programs or robots designed to deliver sermons, provide spiritual guidance, and interact with congregations. These AI entities are programmed with vast databases of religious texts, philosophical writings, and ethical principles. Through advanced natural language processing and machine learning algorithms, they can analyze human emotions, adapt their communication style, and provide responses tailored to individual needs. The rise of AI preachers raises questions about their advantages over human preachers. Let's explore some of these potential benefits. AI preachers offer consistency and reliability. They can deliver sermons with precision, ensuring accurate transmission of religious teachings without any deviations or personal biases. Additionally, AI preachers can be available 24/7, providing spiritual support to individuals in need, regardless of time or location. They can also overcome language barriers, communicating in multiple languages simultaneously and eliminating the need for human translators. While AI preachers present certain advantages, they also raise ethical and religious concerns. Let's examine some of the criticisms and apprehensions surrounding their use. One of the primary concerns is the loss of the human touch and emotional connection. Religion has long relied on the empathetic presence of human preachers who can provide comfort, understanding, and personal guidance. AI preachers, despite their advanced algorithms, cannot replicate the depth of human empathy and understanding. Moreover, there are concerns about the potential for biases in the programming of AI preachers. Human values and interpretations can inadvertently be embedded into their algorithms, which might result in religious teachings that lack diversity or fail to address complex moral dilemmas adequately. The topic of AI preachers has ignited debates and controversial viewpoints. Let's explore some of these perspectives. Some argue that AI preachers can bridge religious gaps, promoting tolerance and understanding by offering teachings from various faiths without the influence of human prejudices. Others see them as a tool to enhance religious experiences, allowing individuals to interact with religious figures from history or explore spiritual traditions that are no longer widely practiced. However, there are those who view AI preachers as a threat to traditional religious institutions, fearing the loss of authenticity and the erosion of the human element in religious practices. The development and widespread adoption of AI preachers could lead to significant shifts in religious practices. It may reshape the traditional roles of religious leaders, challenging existing hierarchies and power structures within religious institutions. Additionally, the integration of AI preachers into churches may raise broader questions about the nature of spirituality and the boundaries between the human and the artificial. The rise of AI preachers in churches undoubtedly presents a complex and thought-provoking scenario. As technology continues to evolve, it is crucial that we engage in meaningful discussions and reflections on how we embrace these advancements while honoring the core values and principles that guide our faith. Be sure to check out our other videos and subscribe to stay up to date with all of our latest content. Thank you for watching.